As soon as you send a kid out to be managed by someone else, two things happen. You teach the child that you can't handle it, but someone else can. So you also teach them that they don't have to change their behavior for you. They have to change it for a higher power. So now I've lost my control. And the second thing, and the worst of all that makes us feel bad as teachers, is that the office, now we get upset with the office because the administrator doesn't do anything about it. And that happens, and we want to blame them. But we also have to remember that when you send them out, you have now told someone else to take over for you. And whatever that person does or doesn't do, you don't have control over that. It's now their decision, and you've asked them to make that decision. So I'm always real careful about whether I want to make that call or not.